Hey guys, I'm so excited. This is my 8 to 9 month braid lock journey update. I have exciting news. Okay, honestly, it's not that exciting. However, I do have an update on what's been happening with my hair. The growth probably hasn't been too much. However, they have expanded a bit. And if you're interested in hearing more, please continue to watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm going to show you 5 hairstyles that I've been doing with my short locks. Short braid locks. Locks. Alright, so I'm going to go through what my morning routine looks like. I'll keep it very quick. I wake up in the morning, and when I get up, I use barely any products, and I'll show you the products that I use. I'll typically keep it to a leave-in conditioner, a light one that I can just spray. Also, number 2, I'll do some type of hair oil. So my mom makes this really cool hair hydration oil. I'll put that on right after. You know how there's the lock method, leave-in, oil, and cream. I just don't do cream because I don't feel like I need it. I don't want to have my locks all gunked up with extra stuff, so I just keep it simple with a leave-in and an oil, or I'll do rose water and oil, or I just do rose water. So I'll show you exactly what I have. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna step into my office. I'm back. So these are the products that I use. I'll have a hair hydration oil by Skintopia Therapy that my mother makes. I'll include her in a link below. Rose water, it doesn't matter what brand. I ain't really trying to promote people unless they're gonna send me products, but you know, it's cool. Rose water is really cool. I've heard good things about it. It works cool. I think I can try a different brand. I'll play around with them to see what works best. Or I have a friend who actually told me she makes her own rose water, so I can totally do that. Get some roses, put it in some water. I'll probably research and find out more, but that's a good idea. And then also just a little leave-in 5-in-1 treatment mist. I'll keep it really light, or I'll do another leave-in. I got from like Target. I have to try out and see what actually works best for my hair. So I've been using this one, Tea Tree Lemon Sage leave-in conditioner, as well as I forgot the brand, but it's like a Manoi leave-in from Target or something like that. It's a very colorful yellow bottle, but it doesn't matter. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I'll do an oil right after. So I use those I use those products. Oh, actually, and sometimes I'll just put a leave-in conditioner inside one of the spray bottles and put some water in it. I'll get like a bottled water and pour that in there, so I'm not just putting tap water on my hair, which is, I don't think it really matters that much. It might, but hey, that's what I do. And so I'll spray my hair. I'll actually show you. So right now, this is hairstyle number 1, which I have 2 bobby pins, and I just, you know, just pin it up on the side. What I do though is I make sure that, I'll do it again. Those cars. So here, I'll just do it again. I'll put the pins in. I don't have a mirror, so we're gonna see how this looks. If I look crazy, bear with me. You know how it really is gonna look, okay? So, you know, you see how this looks already. I don't know why I'm doing it again. But this is hairstyle number 1. Okay. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Hairstyle number 2. I think I may actually need to spray it so that it's not stiff like an old press, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'll do my 2 ponytails. Super easy. Sometimes I use this when I do this one when I go out, if I feel like I'm looking super plain. I'll also sometimes occasionally add fix my edges or whatever a little bit if I'm going out, but sometimes I don't. It's like, hey, just, you know, do you, boo-boo. Love yourself, and if your edges ain't down, which they ain't gonna stay down anyway if I'm going out, it's okay. Okay, so this is a second. So this is hairstyle number 2, my 2 little buns. I keep a little hair out on the side and make it look cute. Some people can add like 2 here. I don't do that because it look like a little ant or a little roach or something with them extra strings, or a little shrimp with those antenna things, all their little hairs. Okay, I don't know if it's hairs, I'm sorry guys. Number 3, which I recently started trying actually, is a half up, half down type situation, and I'll push my hair a little more to the front. This one I do need, it's very helpful to do this one with the mirror, but you know, I'm gonna just do what I can for y'all, okay? Ugh. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. Okay, so I take the hair, I don't even wrap the ponytail twice around. I can't see how it looks. I think my scrunchie is too tight. Normally I have a looser one so it doesn't well, it's not that bad, but you know, I look like a little cute little hooper Whoville. But this is number 3 if you down to try it. If your locks are thick, I know it looks really, it'll probably look really cool to do it like this. I don't know, it ain't that bad. I haven't played that much with it, but something like that, almost like a fake mohawk situation. I don't know, but this is hairstyle number 3. Number 4, number 4, fourth one I do is a ponytail. So it starts off looking crazy. So take all the hair, and if you see, I'm not double wrapping the scrunchie because my hair is too thick for that. Plus I want to make sure that it's a nice thick ponytail. I leave these sides out a bit. Yeah, something like this. Alright, so this is hairstyle number 4. It's summertime, quick little throw it up real quick so the hair's not all up on my ears and stuff. It's cool, I like it. And number 5, actually it's super cute. Okay, Christy. Okay. Also, I apologize if my makeup looks kind of crazy. I kind of did it in the dark, but hopefully I look okay. You know, got a little self-love for myself. If I look crazy, hopefully y'all hold me down. No, I'm being real extra right now. But yeah, I really didn't look at it in the right sunlight. I did it in the dark, basically. So it is what it is. And then last but not least, so I changed it up on the side. Number 5 is this. No, just letting it be down, of course. No, nothing added to it. I changed the side. Sometimes I let it be down in the front. Sometimes I push it out of my face. This is number 5 that I've been doing. I haven't found that I could do any other. Actually, I lied. There is one other style that I can do where I twist the front and then I twist the side. Hold on, I'll show you. So I guess technically this would be style number 5 since wearing my hair down is, I don't know if you would call that a style or not. But, so what I would do is take this and twist it. Unfortunately, I can't, Unfortunately, I can't see what it looks like. Pero like, it's okay. Okay, but this is another hairstyle you can play with as well if you have shorter starter locks, braid locks, whatever. So I hope that you enjoy the video and can use some of these hairstyles if your hair is short like mine. And if you have any other suggestions on other hairstyles to try, please share with me, comment, link me to some other YouTuber or yourself so I can learn. I'm in this journey with all of y'all, or any of those of you who are considering braid locks. I will say that it has made my life so much more convenient. I went to Costa Rica and I didn't have to worry about my hair. It was just wonderful. I'm like, wow. I went to Cancun last month and I was like, this is great. It's great. I'm loving it. I'm still like okay, I will say, if you haven't watched my last video about my Costa Rica trip, as well as the video when I braided my hair, I've noticed that every time I do braids, even when I didn't have braid locks, even when I didn't have starter locks, I would have some breakage. So I did notice that there was a little bit of breakage when I did my box braids, but that's normal for my hair. So now I know I can't do my hair too tight with the box braids. I've seen people do it with yarn braids. Some of the subscribers and folks were saying like, hey, maybe you should try yarn braids. I think I might try that next time because it's a little lighter. I just don't know how that takeout process is going to be like, but I'm excited to try new things. And I just say be careful if you're going to try any protective styles. Make sure that you're very gentle with your hair. Make sure that it's not too tight. Mine were way too tight, so I lost a little bit of hair, or I experienced a little bit of breakage at like my root-ish area, but now I'm putting it back into the lock as I continue to interlock it. I am planning on doing an interlock video for you guys. If you like to see, I mean, there's a bunch out there. I think I'm gonna have a friend and we're gonna record it together. Thank you for watching. Also, I'm going to include the links to some of the products that I use, as well as if you like my crop top bikini bee, I'll include the link to them as well, and you can check out Bikini Bee as well. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope you have an amazing day, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this, and have a wonderful day. Oh.